Welcome to our channel 4G School. This is an online way of education. Let's start my English book 1, standard 1, the welcome song. Listen the song carefully and enjoy it. इस नज़म को याद कीजिए, इसे दोहराइए और इसे enjoy करते हुए अपने दोस्तों के साथ गाइए. 1.1 Welcome Song. Listen and repeat. Sing a welcome song, welcome song, welcome song. Sing a welcome song, ring a joyful bell. Ding dong ding, everybody sing, everybody sing, everybody sing. Ding dong ding, everybody sing, for a new day begins. Come together one and all, one and all, one and all. Come together one and all. Ding dong ding dong ding. Ding dong ding dong ding. Happy song of joy we bring, joy we bring, joy we bring. Happy songs of joy we bring. Ding dong ding dong ding. Ding dong ding dong ding. Ding dong ding dong ding.